Good morning, student. Again, today we are going to solve the numerical from the second unit. Okay, so let us go through it. Let us go through the problem statement first. So the problem statement is the COP of a refrigerator is 6 when it maintains the temperature of -3 degrees Celsius in the evaporator okay. Determine the condenser temperature and refrigerating effect if the power required to run the refrigerator is 7.5 kilowatt. Okay, so let us read the problem statement. The COP of a refrigerator is 6 when it maintains the temperature of -3 degrees Celsius in the evaporator. Determine the condenser temperature and refrigerating effect if the power required to run the refrigerator is 7.5 kilowatt. So for this particular numerical also we will need a diagram. So let us draw that particular diagram. So here we have condenser which is at T1 temperature. Here we have evaporator which is at T2 temperature, and this is what is the refrigerator. Okay, now what it will do, it will absorb the Q2 heat. Okay, that is nothing but the heat absorbed and which is equals to the refrigerating effect. And that is nothing but the output, isn't it? So whatever Q2 will be there, that will be the output of this particular refrigerator. Okay, and to do this particular output, what we will need? We will need WR, that is nothing but the work of an refrigerator, and which will be input. Okay, and after doing the work, some sort of heat will be rejected in the condenser. So this is Q1, and what it will be? Heat rejected. So heat rejected will be the value of Q1. Okay, now let us write down the given data. So what given data is given as COP of the refrigerator is 6. Okay, then T2 is given as -3 degrees Celsius. If we want to convert this into Kelvin, then you should add 273 into it. so the value will be 270 degree Kelvin. ठीक है. Then work of refrigerator is given as 7.5 kilowatt, which will be equals to 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 watt. Okay. Now we know the formula of an COP of an refrigerator is equals to Q2 upon Q1 minus Q2. Okay, this is the formula, but over here we do not have values of Q, so similar formula is there, which is nothing but the T2 upon T1 minus T2. Okay, so now we have values of the temperature, so we can use this particular formula. Okay, so for that 6 will be equals to 270 upon T1 minus 270. Okay, if we solve this, okay, then our value of T1 will be equals to let us not jump directly, let us go step by step. So T1 minus 270 will be equals to 270 upon 6. ठीक है. Then T1 will be equals to 270 upon 6 plus 270. Okay, so let us see what is the answer. So into bracket 270 by 6 plus 270, so the answer is 315. So T1 will be equals to 315 Kelvin. If we want same answer in degree Celsius, so let us minus 273 from it, so 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 42 degrees Celsius will be the temperature of T1, or it will be what, temperature of an condenser. ठीक है. Now what next we want to calculate? We want to calculate the refrigerating effect. So for that, COP of an refrigerator is equals to output upon input, isn't it? And what is our output? Output is nothing but the refrigerating effect upon the work supplied. Upon the work supplied. So COP is 6, refrigerating effect RE, that is what we need to find out, and work supplied is 75,000. Okay, if we multiply 7.5 into 10 raised to 3, it will be 75,000. So RE will be equals to 7500 into 6, so it is 45,000 watt. So refrigerating effect will be 45,000 watt. I hope you might have understood this particular problem. That's it for this particular video. Thank you so much.